All right, we're going to head over to Robin and Lara now in a segment that Lara has duped the What Could Go Wrong segment. You've got some special guests with you guys.
What possibly could go wrong? You know, don't work with children or pets, they say. But over 63 million households in the U.S. are home to dogs like my beloved little man Lucas. That's according to the American Pet Product Association. But right now, many beloved pets, they can't get to the groomer. And so, Lara, we're gonna help some folks out here, Lara?
Yeah, we are. I'm going to do the best I can, Robin, live from my son's bathroom. So let's get to it quickly, shall we?
Okay. Let's do it.
I'm going to show you a piece introducing this amazing woman. Roll them.
Get the peanut butter and you smear it on the saran wrap. Some good stuff.
Yeah, I see it as really.
Folks at home are finding some creative ways to spiff up their pooches. But we decided to check in with the pros on the best grooming practices for your pup.
The golden rule to maintain your pet's coat is to brush your dog.
Melissa Mitchner, owner of the Bark Shop in New York City, had to temporarily close her doors, but she's found a way to virtually cater to her furry clients and calm their befuddled owners.
Some dogs are not used to their owners washing them, so you want to make sure that you're prepared as possible and that you have everything that you need so that you're comfortable and they're comfortable.
Want to give your dog a day at the spa but not sure if your products are dog safe? Melissa wants owners to err on the side of caution.
This is dog shampoo. If you do not have dog shampoo, use baby shampoo. Any hypoallergenic, Taylor shampoo. Remember, human shampoo equals human problems, and we don't want any dry coats or irritation. Pet Dental 101, don't use human grade toothpaste. We want to use pet toothpaste.
For man's best friend, a little bit of upkeep goes a long way.
This is really about maintenance, so that when you get back to the groomer, we have something to work with. Snip the bangs out of the eyes, and just make sure that no mats or tangles on the body. Right, Pooch? Say hi.
Oh, Lara and I, we've been sharing our putts with, the ball has fallen, but Lara's gonna really take one for the team now. She's gonna give Reva a bath. You are very brave to do that. And the woman that you just saw in action, Melissa, who is the owner of the Bark Shop in New York City. Thank you so much, Melissa, for helping us out here. And you were saying it is so important during the meantime, while we are in quarantine, while we are sheltering at home, to kind of take care of our pets the best way we can until we can get them back to the groomer. Why is that?
Yes. So it's important to maintain your pet's coat for their health and wellness. You want to remember to leave some hair for the groomer so that when we reopen, we have some hair to work with. And remember that a happy pet is a healthy pet.
Yes, indeedy, Melissa. And you've got some happy pets there with you. But I'm going to let Lara, like I said, you're going to take one for the team. So Melissa, Lara, take it away with Reva. Let's see what you can do.
All right, Robin, thank you so much. We're going to get right to it. Melissa, you said it's really important to have everything prepped, right, before we get in the tub. So I've got my baby shampoo, if you don't have dog shampoo, a towel. I have treats, which I'm anticipating needing multiple. And then you say start with the brush, right?
Yeah. So if you have a small dog, I recommend using the kitchen sink. If you have a large dog, I recommend using the bathtub. So you want to brush and comb your pet before wetting them. We have some Bark Shop Aloe Cucumber Shampoo that we'll be using today. You want to make sure treats are always great. You want to have your brush, your comb, and your towel, everything identified so that when you're ready to bathe your pet, you're ready to go. Lastly, you want to check the water temperature. We don't like cold baths, so a dog wouldn't like cold baths.
Yeah, so that's what I did. I did a nice warm bath. I brushed out the mats, which I think was a great idea. I got a lot of excess hair there. And then, do you have any tips for calming the dog?
Absolutely. So
because it looks like we could have a runner.
Oh, yes. Treats are always great. So I recommend peanut butter. Patch loves asparagus with peanut butter. Positive affirmation. You want to give gentle rubs. Let them know it's okay. They're doing great. Good girl.
All right, so far I think I've calmed her down. The treats were a major plus to have. As I said earlier, I'm going to use baby shampoo because I don't have any dog shampoo at the ready. And she seems to be okay with it. Is there any technique for getting the dog clean and quick so that they're not, you know, they're not in here a very long time? She doesn't seem to be hating it, but it doesn't look like she loves it either.
Okay, absolutely. So you want to make sure the temperature is warm. You want to lather them up, rub them really well, get them in and out as quick as you can. Tell a good girl positive affirmations again. You want to towel dry it. The shake is always great. You want to towel dry and then blow dry your
think
pet
we're
on a
good.
low
That's what I was just going to ask. Once she gets out, she's soaking wet. I'm going to get the rest of the shampoo out. So blow dryer is okay as long as it's on a low setting, correct?
Yes. So you want to use a
All right,
low
Melissa,
setting.
we thank you so much. Thank you so much. Everybody at home, we know what you're going through. We've seen all the tricks. So hopefully this helped you. And remember, we're all in it together. Robin, you're next. We're going to get that Lucas in the tub.
No. Well, you should go to my Twitter page. I posted a picture of what his hair really looks like when it's not combed down for TV. It is something. But Melissa, thank you. Lara, you and Reva, you are the stars. Thank you for all of us pet lovers. Appreciate it very much.